Welcome back. Now that you have placed your course goals inside of Udemy, you've now come to the curriculum section and it's now time to start placing content inside of Udemy for your students. Now the content will be arranged in both sections and lectures. And the lectures is the actual content, video or audio, that you're going to be instructing your students on what to do. You'll need to add lectures from this button. And then you'll want to add either a practical quiz or a practical exercise telling your students how to apply what they have just learned. However, the most important part here is going to be adding the content in a way that's going to make sense for your students to follow. And that is really going to require your outline. But before you begin uploading content or even structuring content in sections, you're going to want to figure out what content you're actually going to have. And this means that you'll want to take your presentation software, in this case, perhaps it's Microsoft PowerPoint or Google Docs. You'll want to take each subject and outline it by placing each subject on one separate slide, as you can see here. What you'll want to do then is begin to arrange the slides according to the section that you're going to have them in the actual course. If you're going to be using images in some of your videos, you want to start adding those inside of your outline also. And typically, this can be done by just using the command already inside of your presentation software to insert the image. And you'll see that we'll do the very same thing again. And then we'll do the same thing one more time. We'll add a slide here. You should now have your slides in order along with the images and where you're actually going to be presenting them. The one thing you're going to want to do for the appearance of your presentation is you'll want to change the structure of your images. And so in this particular case, we're going to take out the text images and we're actually going to remove this image since we know which one we want there. And what we're going to do is we're going to go to the design area and then we're going to format the background. And then we're going to use the picture fill. Then we're going to click File. And then we're going to grab the very same image and we're actually going to make that image the background so that it fills the entire slide. This will make for a better presentation when we're actually going through our slides and we're actually doing our presentation. So we can do that with each and every one of the images that we have. So in this case, we'll remove the image. We will then use the picture fill. We'll click File. And then we will click the image. And then our image will then fill the entire slide. We can do the same thing in the online presentation software like Google Slides. We go to the background command. We choose the image. And our image is now uploaded. And once you have all of your content in order, you're then ready to start filling in the outline for your slides. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.